Hello everyone. We had started with ISC Mathematics class 11th and the topic which is going on is permutations and combinations, and let us continue with more practice problems on fundamental principle of counting. The question is, how many automobile license plates can be made if the inscription on each contains two different letters followed by three different digits? So here digits, here the letters, all are different. So indirectly they are saying no repetition is allowed. So first of all, to substitute the letters here, how many choices do we have? One place can be filled in 26 possible ways because we have 26 alphabets. So 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स में से कोई भी एक अल्फ़ाबेट यहाँ पर आ सकता है, A, B, C till Z. Since they are saying different letters, so जो अल्फ़ाबेट हमने यहाँ पर फिल कर लिया ऑलरेडी उसको हम यहाँ रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. So now I have one choice less, और वो one choice कौन सी है जो हम यहाँ पर फिल कर चुके हैं? 26, 25. Coming to digits, how many digits do we have? 10. But here we cannot write 0. Here we have to exclude 0, otherwise the number will be 2 digit. I have to fill 3 different digits. So I have 9 choices excluding 0. How many choices for this place? Again 9, because here 0 can also come. Again repetition is not followed because see, total digits are 1, 2, 3 till 9. In this place we have only cancelled 0, so we are left with 1 to 9, 9 points. In this place 0 is included, but जो नंबर यहाँ पर फिल हो चुका है वो नंबर यहाँ रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. सो अगेन 9 choices. 0 ऐड हो गया, जो यहाँ पर लिख चुके हैं वो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया. सो इट इज़ सेम. नाउ 2 numbers are already used. We are left with 8 choices now, so that numbers digits will not repeat. So the possible ways the number plate can have the numbers and letters will be multiplying all of them. This is going to be the answer. Okay, next question is here. Find the number of even positive integers. Note this, even positive integers which have 3 digits. And since we have to find the numbers, so number digits may repeat. So first of all 3 places are to be filled for a 3-digit number, and number has to be even. अब number even कब होता है? जब भी unit place पर, only in this place I am talking about, unit place पर या तो 0 हो, 2, 4, 6, 8. यूनिट प्लेस पर अगर इनमें से कोई डिजिट होगा तभी नंबर इवन होगा, अदरवाइज द नंबर विल बी ऑड. सो देयरफॉर हाउ मेनी चॉइसेस डू आई हैव टू फिल दिस प्लेस इज ओनली 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओनली 5 choices I can fill this place. 5 ways. Either I can fill with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Any one can be fit. Then coming to the first number, we can repeat the digits, but in this place 0 can never come. अगर यहाँ पर 0 आएगा it will become a 2-digit number. So 9 possible ways are there where we have excluded 0. And since repetition is allowed, so these numbers can be repeated. This number also can be repeated. So we have full-fledged 10 digits choice to fill the middle place. So total numbers even positive integers are 9 into 10 into 5. 450 is the answer. Okay, next question. To pass an exam, a student has to pass in each of the 3 papers. So the question is, in how many ways कैन अ स्टूडेंट फेल इन द एग्ज़ाम? फेल वो तभी होगा जब तीनों में से किसी एक भी पेपर में फेल हो जाए. पास वो तभी होगा जब वो तीनों में पास होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, total choices, let us find out. 3 papers are there. First paper, either he can pass or he can fail, so he has 2 choices. Same for second, either he can pass or fail, again 2 choices, again 2 choices. So total choices, total ways possible are 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Now number of ways he can pass, let us find that out. He is pass only when all the places are fixed with PPP, means pass, pass, pass in all the 3 papers. So only one way possible. Here also exactly one way, exactly one way. So number of ways he can pass is 1 into 1 into 1. One way is possible where he can pass. So we have to find in how many ways a student can fail. Number of ways in which student can fail, total ways minus the one in which he can pass. Total में से pass अगर हम remove कर दे, we are left with the numbers of ways in which a student may fail. So total 7 ways are there. So now you also keep trying different questions. These questions requires more of your imagination power rather than just writing. So you keep thinking what can be repeated, what not, and keep trying. You can leave your doubts in the comments. I will try to clear as much as possible. Stay tuned.